Hello everyone. Today we will see some numerical based on starting methods of three-phase induction motor. We have seen methods which are based on the requirement for starting torque and current. हमें कितना ज़्यादा starting torque चाहिए, करंट को कितने लेवल तक रिड्यूस करना है. बेस्ड ऑन दैट सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं कि ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर स्टार्टर के साथ हम किस तरह का न्यूमेरिकल फेस करेंगे. तो जैसा कि क्वेश्चन में दिया है, a squirrel cage induction machine has a full load slip of 0.05 and we are given motor starting current is 6 times its full load current at rated voltage. So starting current is actually 6 times full load current. And we have to find what? Tapping on auto transformer starter. Let us say X is the tapping on the auto transformer starter, which would give you full load torque at start. जो भी full load torque है, that should be available at the time of starting. And we have to also find this line current at time of starting. So let us see, we are having the formula based on auto transformer starter. हम कैसे उसको define करते हैं? Starting torque को हम लिख सकते हैं, it should be equal to full load torque into K square और X square we can say, इसको हम K या X जो भी assume करें, into ISC that is short circuit current divided by starting full load current whole square into what is it? Slip at full load, which is already given in the numerical. So based on this formula, we can calculate the value of K or X, which is tapping on the auto transformer. तो हमारे पास यहाँ पर हमें दिया है कि हमें शुरुआत में full load torque ही चाहिए, माने T starting would be equal to full load torque, which is a requirement, and we have to calculate K square. And next we are given जो starting current है, that is 6 times the full load current. So we can write it as 6 times full load current divided full load current into square, and slip at full load is given as 0.05. So on resolving, what we find is, here this is cancelled out, this one is cancelled out. So from here we see that we are having K as a known value into 6 square into 0.05. Further solving this equation, what we obtain is K is equal to 1 by 36 into 0.05, and which is being calculated as either 0.745, और अगर हमें परसेंटेज की टर्म पे बोलना हो तो हम लिख सकते हैं इसको 74.5%. And this is the tapping we need to have on auto transformer starter, जिससे कि हमें स्टार्टिंग में ही फुल लोड टॉर्क की वैल्यू मिल सके. अब इसी क्वेश्चन के सेकंड पार्ट में लिखा है कि हमें स्टार्टिंग करंट चाहिए है, लाइन करंट की वैल्यू स्टार्टिंग में क्या होगी. तो स्टार्टिंग करंट के लिए हमें फॉर्मूला पता है. स्टार्टिंग करंट कैन बी टेकन एज I starting is equal to I full load into what? K square, and this can be determined as K square and the value which was 6 times the full load current. So 6 into, we are having IFL into K square we have taken as 0.745 whole square. So once solving this also, what we get is 3.33 times of full load current. So this way we have obtained both the tapping value of auto transformer and current, starting current in terms of full load current, so which is observed as 3.33 times full load current. So normally जो 6 times full load current होता है, ऑटो ट्रांसफॉर्मर टेपिंग की वजह से हमें ये रिड्यूस वैल्यू पे मिल गया 3.33 फुल लोड करंट.